how to copy and paste the text in Chatgpt. So here I get the birthday text, and if you want to copy and paste it, hover your mouse down here and there should be the copy icon. So simply hover your mouse here and click on copy. Once it's copied, open for example the Google document, and now press Ctrl+V or Command+V, and you can simply paste the text. And here you can simply customize it. So I'm gonna remove this, also this line, and also remove this. So this is how you can copy the text. Another way how you can do it, just simply grab your mouse and select the text which you want to copy. Now press Command+C or right click and copy, and open the Word document, right click and paste. So this is how you can copy and paste. Also make sure to remove these symbols because it's obvious that the text was created by Chatgpt or the AI. So this was how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.